Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a few things going on in today's video. It is time to get the house decorated for Christmas. So I need to put away all of this fall decor in the living room. I'm mainly going to be focusing on decorating the Christmas tree in this video. I also have a Christmas decor haul to share with you all, but I will be going over to Ross to see if I can find some more picks for the Christmas tree. And I do need to find some toys to put in the kids' stockings while I'm there. I already finished my main shopping for them this year, and this is the earliest I've ever finished Christmas shopping. And with that being said, I have to thank Shop Tagger for kindly sponsoring this video. I've talked about them before on this channel. I really love the app, and I used it to save all of my kids' toy selections. So I went ahead and gave the kids the toy catalogs and let them circle all of the things that they wanted for Christmas, and I saved those items to my Shop Taggers list. I wanted to do all of my shopping online for them this year. You know, with everything going on, I really didn't want to be store hopping like I always do. I just wanted to stick with online. Most of their selections were from Target and Amazon, so I waited until Black Friday and Cyber Monday to make my purchases because I knew there would be so many good sales going on. Let me just show you guys exactly how it works in case you're new to this. It's quick and really easy to use, and it's free. So first you want to download the app using Google Chrome. It works best with Chrome, so definitely use that web browser. I already have it, and you can download it on your phone as well. And make sure you allow the extension for the app wherever you download it. And then you're going to head over to whichever store you're doing your shopping, just like normal. I'm going to go on Amazon's website, and when you find your item, you're going to click on the Shop Tagger icon at the top, and you can go ahead and make your selections depending on like the options available for that item. Shop Tagger will notify you if the price drops, so you can have it notify you if it goes on sale by 25%, 50%, but I always click, you know, any price change, and then you can just go ahead and save it to a list if you have one created for the item. And when you go to your Shop Taggers account, you will see all of your items that you saved, and you can just go ahead and like customize it from here as well. You can add one item to more than one list, so you have different options. Now when it's time for checkout, Shop Tagger can scan the web for like discount codes and apply it to your order before you check out, but this is a special feature if you're using the app on your computer with the Chrome extension. Shop Tagger also has a cashback feature, so you can earn cash through PayPal with select retail partners. So if you want to download Shop Tagger, I will have the link in the description box. It's an awesome app to make your shopping so much better. You'll have less impulse buys. You'll be able to organize because you can create those different lists, and you can save and earn money as well. So definitely check it out if you're interested in it. I'm going to go ahead and start removing this fall decor, and then we're going to head out to Ross because I do want to see if I can find the last bit of items for the tree before I start decorating it.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
All right, I'm going to share all of my new finds for Christmas, and I didn't get a ton of stuff, but I did need to go out and buy, just pick up a few items. Okay, the first thing is this centerpiece here. So I purchased this because I was thinking about using it right here, but I don't know if that's going to be the case, because I also have something else that I'm going to use, that I'm thinking about using. I don't know. You guys, when I decorate, I just play around with stuff, switch things around until I'm satisfied. So back to this you can just put candles on, and it is $29.99 for this, and I really love it. It already came with really nice ornaments. The colors are just right. I love champagne gold with silver. And then I have this wreath. I picked up two. It's $12.99, but I like to put them together, so I'll put one there, and the other one, I did this with my the ones I found for fall as well. So yeah, I just put it together like that so that it looks like one piece. This is just, one option. I can put them next to the TV. I can use them by the front door. All right, and then I picked up these picks, and I want to put them in the Christmas tree. $7.99. And I really like them. It comes with, what, 4? Yeah, it's 4. All right, next up are these really cute LED trees, all of that glitter. This is the only time you will catch me using a ton of glitter with my home decor, because I do not like glitter at all. It gets everywhere and it's very annoying, but I love it for Christmas. But yeah, the trees light up. And then I have these picks here. Let me tell you the price. I didn't tell you the price on these trees. So this is actually the medium size, because they have one taller than this, but this one is $16.99 and the small is $12.99. And then I have these picks, these pearl picks. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love that. I don't have the price. Oh, there it is. There's one. And each one is $3.99. But I really love that. It's so pretty. And then I found these here. $7.99 for this. Of course, Canon sucks with the focus. But yeah, just have a lot of picks for the tree and just like stuff that I can add in the centerpiece. Like this one over here, I can like put some of those picks in the centerpiece and just, you know, bring some gold and silver and just, you know, add more to it. This is the perfect time to go out and find these really cute bottle stoppers if you want them, and it was only $4.99. All right, and then I have these ornaments, very glam, so nice. I found them at Burlington's and they are $9.99. All right, I'm gonna start decorating the tree now. I have a ton of ornaments. I'm not gonna use all of these ornaments because I'm just like ready to toss some of them out. I don't like some of them anymore. I have a ton of really nice ornaments that I want to play around with, like these here. This is from Kings of Christmas. I have 2 boxes from last year when I collaborated with them. I'm going to use like the silvers and the clear ones, and of course add my navy blue. And when I'm done with the tree, I'll go back and add, you know, some of these purple and pink ornaments and see how I like it. I'm gonna add these mirrors on the tree because I really love this. It was so cute last year, so I'm definitely gonna, you know, do it again this year. I would more than likely do this every single year because you guys know I love mirrored pieces. So I already have ribbons on the tree. I did this last night when I came back from Ross. It was pretty late and I was so tired, but I wanted to at least get the ribbons on the tree because this takes the longest, just trying to, you know, get them in the right spot. So I was placing them and moving them around until I was satisfied, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up and then get all of the ornaments on the tree and show you what it looks like when I'm done.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Now with the ribbons, all I am doing is sticking them in the tree and using one of the back branches to hold the ribbons in place. So I will wrap the branch around the ribbon so that it's not like falling out. If you have long ribbons, then you might not have to do this, but there are different ways you can secure your ribbons in your tree without them falling. I just like to use the branches because I just find it easier to do.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
All right, I am done with the tree for now. I don't think I'm gonna change anything else. I've been messing around with this tree all day. It's late. I'm trying not to be too loud because everyone is sleeping, but I feel like I'm done with this for now. I decided to go ahead and do something different this year and add the pink and purple looking ornaments to the tree because, you know, I had them, so I figured I'll go ahead and use them. I really like how it looks. I love the turnout, and I went ahead and added the picks up there, and the purple ones I was using for my fall decor, but it just looks so good with, you know, the rest of the ornaments. I decided to put them at the top as well, and I really like the turnout. This is navy blue, this ribbon. I don't know if you can tell, but it is. See, you can tell now. It looks black from a distance, but it's navy blue, and the skirt down here is navy blue as well. Tomorrow I will come back and like add decor around the room and in the dining room and wherever else I decide to put some decor. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, guys. Remember to download Shop Tagger. Link will be in the description box. Great app for just staying organized with your shopping. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.